Stock may be attempting to break through the resistance of its all-time high price of around $77. So the stock gained, let's see, gained 4.06% in the regular session of today, the 12th of February 2025. In the very short term, it is strongly bullish, but it hasn't been trading for a very long time. In January alone, it gained 70%. So far this year, it is up roughly 50%. What we can see is that it has been, while it's been climbing up the charts, it's probably peaking support from its 40 period moving average, it seems. So on this 1 hour chart, we have an upper projection of 74.97. We have here 76.47, negated upper projection of 77.63. So this is its all-time high. As a matter of fact, it did come close. It came close intraday. It may have actually blown through that all-time high price. The stock hasn't really been trading for a very long time. So let's move down to its 2 hour chart and see. On the 2 hour chart, yes, that seems to be the case again. Getting support from, or rather, the 40 period moving average has been serving as a primary demand line. No, as a matter of fact, actually, it is. Well, of late, I would say it's more of the combination of the 10 and 21 period moving average, and projection is for 78.89, and indeed maybe something close to $85 here on the 2 hour chart. This is also that all-time high for $7 and some fraction. So it may have, if you look at the minute charts, it may have actually intraday, it may have actually blown through that resistance. So extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages for higher prices, but they seem to be forming a wedge. They seem to be converging, or the 10 period is cutting across the trajectory, the potential trajectory of the 21. Maybe they may converge, they may form a wedge. The stock, obviously, as you can see clearly, it's been strongly bullish, and there must have definitely must to some extent some aggression and indeed some volatility behind all of that. If we have a look at its daily chart, you see how volatile the stock has been. So we have also the cases on the three hour chart. I think clearly now we can see it's the 10 at various times. It's I would say mostly it looks like mostly the 21 period moving average is the primary demand line. Yes, it seems to be. We have here one, two, three, four, five pivots, six pivots all the way since the end of January, January. Yeah, so here the 21 period moving average is the primary demand line as things stand right now. Extrapolation is for high prices, and it's expected to remain like this until Friday, the 14th of February. Here as well, we have those upper projections, 78.86, and this is should be something right around $35. Okay, so $85. So let's move down to the 4 hour chart and see what we have. On the 4 hour chart, yes, we also have it as well. The 421 period moving average is serving as a primary demand line. Has it? How many pivots does it have there? Okay, I can count just one, two, three, four, five, roughly five since end of January. Yeah, upper projections go all the way towards $85. We have downward projections as well, 67.99. We have 66.50. Let's look at its daily chart and see what we have. Let's see. Okay, it hasn't been around for a very long time. You can clearly see it's a highly volatile stock, definitely a highly volatile stock. So there's a downward projection here of 45.54. So we can actually compute one. We can actually try and compute a projection here. 69.26. Let's get it. 69.26. Let's see what we can get. 69.26. And then downward projection of 65. No, no, 69.26 multiply. So I mean, we subtract this pullback of 60, roughly $65 minus 65, and we have 4.26 multiplied by 1.618. We have 6.89. We add that to the current price in this post market session of plus 74.2. We have $81. So that's quite close to what we were suspecting on the hourly chart. So $81, a possible projection on based on what it has done on this on its daily chart. But even you could if you like you could even go ambitious and try something like this. Well, it's best to come leave it much closer to where it is, but as against trying to take this whole length of this whole length. I would say this leg of its cycle, because it seems to be cycling. You could take this 64.06 and 32.87. You could do that, but that will be really ambitious. That will give you roughly, let's see, let's get it, 69.39, 63.93, 63.93. Oh no, 63.93. And then you take a low of 31.67, 32.26. Yeah, okay. So you could actually just modestly multiply that by 0.618. You have a 19. You add 19 to the current price of 74.18, and you get $94. Indeed, it's something that can possibly happen. So the folks at Schaefer's Investment Research, they brought this to our attention, and they're saying that the company is an AI adjacent company, and it's at the forefront of AI driven healthcare using machine learning to analyze vast clinical data sets and enhance personalized medicine. By streamlining diagnostics and treatment plans, the company aims to improve patient outcomes while reducing healthcare costs. Partnerships with leading hospitals and research institutions further solidify its market position, making it an intriguing stock for investors eyeing the intersection of AI and biotech. Yeah, so yeah, just see what you make of AI TEM stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.